Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams, that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell, and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic, and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do the review for this Techo royalty. That's what they're calling it. So it's not Techo, it's Techo royalty. And right now we are on the sales page and it is launching on 3rd of June. So I'm doing the review 2 days earlier. So when you want to get to the sales page, you will probably see the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a Techo royalty copy here. So click on that link and that link will take you to this sales page. So it says claim your access to the last untapped low content niche on Amazon KDP. Get in now. The only low content niche on Amazon KDP is still wide open for maximum royalties. So I guess it's about publishing your books on Amazon KDP and earn royalties while do nothing. Okay, or while doing nothing. So what you will be getting inside, you will be getting the drag and drop planner editor, build pages in your browser, 303 stock templates across 30 plus profitable niches, book or bulk book builder, full planner in one go, 30 plus section types, 30 plus section types, habit grids, mood rows, Kanbans, Gantt strips, year calendar generator, real dates. Well, I'm not from this field, so I'm not familiar with these terms. But if you are into this, selling things on Amazon and Etsy, okay, you can sell these digital things on Amazon and Etsy both. On Amazon, you have the KDP section, so you you publish your book on Amazon KDP, and then you can see here. This is how. Let me close that. This is how you can earn royalties when your book gets sold on Amazon. Okay, but it's all about. I mean, everybody knows the method that, oh yeah, go and publish your book. But how would you go and publish your book back to back? That's a lot of work manually, and then how to rank your book in the searches. So when people search something in the Amazon, your book needs to show up. Otherwise, how will somebody buy? Okay, so this is what you will, I guess, learn in this one program plus software or whatever they're giving you. So let's go and check more details. So this is how you can sell your books on Amazon, and these are supposed to show up when somebody searches for something. Your book is supposed to show up here. Okay, right. What next? So let's see. I have no time. I am not a designer. I told you that what takes time is manually creating the books. Okay. And then let's see. So I think he has answered the question. I have no time. One sitting. That's all. A full planner book built in a single afternoon, sometimes less. Okay, I mean you have to do some work. It's not like you don't have to do no work at all. You will have to work at least maybe for an hour or two. Okay, so this is how you can see what they're giving you. So you just go and make your drag and drop builder, and then you complete the form. I guess this is the demo they're saying. Okay, and inside the program you will obviously get the training, right? So this is launching on 3rd of June, and here you can see everything. So again, you click on the first link below my YouTube video and come to the sales page and buy your copy. And as a bonus, you will get free email autoresponder for lifetime. So go and grab this from my link below. And this is what you will be getting. We already have discussed that at the top. This is what you will be getting: drag and drop builder plus stock image, stock content. And these are the bonuses: 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are the testimonials you can see on the sales page. This is what you will get inside: daily plan, 30-day tracker, workout log, project Kanban. I don't know what that means. Monthly budget, focus flow. So this is like a sheet thing for you. You need to keep a track of your work. Okay, and I guess that's all included. Okay, so you can go and spend your time on the sales page to read everything. And let's talk about some question and answers before we wind this up. So where are they? Do I need design experience? No. Does it run on Mac, PC, both? Yes. It works on your browser, Google Chrome, Safari, etc. So can I sell what I create on Amazon and Etsy? Yes, that's what it's made. That is what it is made for. Are there recurring fees? No. What if I'm completely new to KDP? You'll be fine. The editor was built for sellers, not designers. Okay. So I guess you just can fill up, it's like fill in the blanks. Just fill up the information in those editor. Okay. How many templates are included? So what happened? Let's find out. So 303 stock templates across 30 plus categories: diaries, dailies, weeklies, monthlies, yearlies, fitness, food, habits, finance. You can read everything here. What if my work disappears mid-session? So it won't. Every change is auto-saved. Okay. How long does it take to build a planner? Under 3 minutes. And what file formats does it support? So PNG and PDF. PDF is most common. Will the price stay this low forever? No. Is support included? Yes. Email support is included inside the members area. What about copyright and instruction pages? Built in, both are available as page modes. One toggle adds a professional copyright page. Blah blah blah. So you have two choices. Choose this tab. Either you try to do it manually, Canva, design this and that, or just go and buy this program inbuilt, built-in editor. Just drag and drop and copy and paste or edit, and that's how you get it done. Okay. So let's go and talk about the OTOs right here. I think there are not many OTOs, only 4. So there you go. We have a front end for $19. So minimum it will cost you $19. Then you have royalty 47, then something for 127, and then something for 47. So let's see here if I can find more information. So front end is for 19, we know that. And this is for 47. This is upgrade 1. So this is 100 fancy design, 16 styles, dated automation. Okay. This is what you will be getting in OTO 1. You can pause the video. You can read all of this on your screen. Okay. Then OTO 2 is for $127, which is Techo or Techo Royalty Elite, which is going to give you AI page maker, this and that. Okay. So go and check out all this. Then we have OTO number 3, which is Manaka Royalty, $47. Manaka, I think it's all Japanese, crossword Sudoku, Techo. So yeah, 4 OTOs, not many. If you want to try, go and grab this from a link below. You'll find the link below the video, first link. Okay. And anything else, go and grab the OTOs. And if you want to make money in some other ways, for example, this niche is new to me, new as in not interested, interesting to me. For example, if I have to choose a method personally, you don't have to follow me, but your interest could be anything else. Your interest could be selling on Etsy or on Amazon. Okay, but that's not my interest. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So if you want to go and make money on Amazon by trying selling books, then go and get this program. If not, if you want a universal method which will make money in the number of decades to come, then go and try those links which we have discussed in the beginning. In the beginning, I told you how to make money with trading. You can work with me, and also how you can make money on YouTube, just like making videos and getting your YouTube channel monetized. We have discussed that in the beginning. So check out the link below and go and get Traffic Jarvis, or you can also get those 100 email leads per day and sell them whatever you like. So all the links are below the video. Go and check out and make real money. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.